Well, what's your name? My name is Marcela. How do you spell your family friends? Um, Ballju. Where are you from? I'm from Colombia. Are Are you working or studying at the moment? In the moment, in work and study. How interested are you learning about other countries? Yes, I went to New York, Italy, um, Spain. How do you enjoy spend your free time? Um, in my free time, I like to study English, travel, and sleep. What's the best way for you improve your English? Um, Learning a few sounds and phrases in English. If you could learn a new skill, what would be? I would like to learn how to sell in the internet. Thank you so much.